In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find taxes on Squarespace. We'll walk through exactly where to go in your Squarespace dashboard to view and set up your tax rates. And I'll give you some tips along the way so everything is clear and easy to follow. First, log into your Squarespace account as you normally would. Once you're logged in and you're on your main dashboard, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon there. This gear icon opens your site settings. Go ahead and click it, and a large pop-up window will appear over your dashboard. On this pop-up, you'll see a panel on the left side with different categories. From this list, find the option labeled Selling. This is where all of your commerce-related settings live, including payments, checkout, and of course, taxes. Click on Selling, and the panel will expand or switch to show more options underneath. Within the Selling section, look for Taxes and click it. This will open your main tax settings area. Here, Squarespace gives you two main approaches: automated tax and manual taxes. Automated tax can be helpful if it's available in your region and you want Squarespace to handle calculations for you. But for this walkthrough, we'll focus on manual tax rates so you can see exactly what you're controlling. To create a manual tax rate, click the Add Rate button. When you do this, another pop-up window will appear. The first thing Squarespace asks you to choose is the country where this tax will apply. Use the drop-down to select the correct country for this specific tax rate. Then click Next. After you click Next, the pop-up will refresh to show more detailed options for that tax. Here, you can enter a tax name, such as sales tax, or something more specific that makes sense for your business. Then enter the tax rate as a percentage. Take your time here and make sure the percentage matches the legal rate you need to charge. Below that, you'll see toggles or checkboxes that let you enable or disable charging taxes on services and digital products, as well as on shipping. Turn these on or off depending on what applies to your store and your local tax rules. When everything looks correct, click Save. The pop-up will close, and your new tax rate will now appear in your main tax settings list. Finally, in that main tax settings area, you can decide whether taxes are added at checkout or included in your product prices. Adjust these options according to how you want prices to appear for your customers. And that's it. You found the tax settings in Squarespace and learned how to set up a manual tax rate.